What does it mean when the power and OPC lights on my Sharp TV are flashing?
Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be talking about an issue that has been bothering many Sharp TV users, the power and OPC lights flashing on your TV. It's a common issue, but with some understanding, it can be addressed and possibly resolved.
What do the power and OPC lights mean?
Firstly, it's important to understand what these lights signify. The power light is pretty straightforward. It indicates whether your TV is turned on or off. The OPC, optical picture control, light on the other hand, is a feature that automatically adjusts the TV's brightness according to the ambient light in the room.
Why are the power and OPC lights flashing?
Now, why might these lights be flashing? The power and OPC lights flashing on a Sharp TV usually indicate a technical issue or malfunction. When these lights flash, it's the TV's way of communicating that there's a problem that needs your attention.
What to do when the power and OPC lights are flashing?
When faced with this issue, here are a few steps to help you troubleshoot. 1. Reset your TV. Unplug your TV from the power source, wait for about 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This can often help reset any temporary issues the TV might be facing. 2. Check the power source. Ensure your TV is properly connected to a reliable power source. 3. Disable the OPC feature. This can be done through the TV settings. Navigate to the menu, go to Picture Settings, and turn off the OPC feature. If the flashing stops, it might indicate an issue with the OPC sensor. 4. Contact Sharp support. If none of the above steps work, it's recommended to contact Sharp's customer support or a professional technician. They can help diagnose and fix the problem. And there you have it. This was a quick guide on what to do when your Sharp TV's power and OPC lights are flashing. We hope this video helps you understand your TV better and provides you with solutions to resolve the problem. If you find the issue persists, don't hesitate to contact Sharp customer support or a professional technician. Until next time, happy viewing!